Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and you can also scroll through the list of icons because we have a couple pages of them. Find the icon that looks like the airplane, this one, and this is the airplane mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, simply tap on the icon. You will see the message airplane mode. The icon will get highlighted, and also the icon of the airplane will appear at the top of the quick panel, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go back to watch face, on the watch face you will also see the airplane mode icon, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel, find the airplane mode icon, tap on it. You will see the message airplane mode. The icon will go back to gray color, the icon from the top of the quick panel will disappear, and the icon from the top of the watch face will also disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.